Fertilization is the process where a sperm cell meets and fuses with an egg cell, marking the beginning of human life. This complex and fascinating journey takes place inside the female reproductive system. Inside the ovaries, eggs develop within small fluid-filled sacs called follicles. Each month, one dominant follicle matures and prepares to release an egg. Ovulation occurs when a mature egg is released from the ovary. This usually happens around the middle of the menstrual cycle. After ovulation, the egg moves into the fallopian tube. This is where fertilization most commonly occurs. In males, sperm cells are produced in the testes. Millions of sperm are released during ejaculation. After entering the female body, sperm travel through the cervix and uterus. Only a small number reach the fallopian tube. Sperm use their tails to swim forward. This movement, called motility, is essential to reach the egg. The egg is surrounded by a protective layer called the zona pellucida. This layer controls which sperm can enter. Many sperm reach the egg, but only one will succeed. This competition ensures that the healthiest sperm fertilizes the egg. When a sperm successfully penetrates the egg, fertilization occurs. The genetic material from both cells begins to combine. After one sperm enters, the egg changes its outer layer. This prevents any additional sperm from entering. The nucleus of the sperm and egg fuse together. This forms a single cell with combined genetic information. The fertilized egg is now called a zygote. It contains all the genetic instructions needed to develop a human. The zygote begins to divide rapidly into multiple cells. This process is called cleavage. As cells continue dividing, they form a solid ball called a morula. This stage occurs within a few days after fertilization. The morula develops into a blastocyst. It has a hollow structure with specialized cells inside. The blastocyst travels down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. This journey takes several days. The uterus lining becomes thick and rich in nutrients. This prepares it for implantation. The blastocyst attaches to the uterine wall. This process is called implantation. After implantation, the embryo begins to develop further. This marks the start of pregnancy and new life. Fertilization is a remarkable process that marks the beginning of human life. Understanding it helps us appreciate the complexity of the human body.